Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have Dollar General Days of Beauty. Yeah, and I know I'm way behind the 8 ball because I was on vacation when this arrived and I am late. I'm sure many of you have already seen it, but I do want to thank Arlene from Unboxing with Arlene because she is the one that notified me that I could sign up for the free box. And yes, this was sent to me and anyone that signed up absolutely free. And the Dollar General Days of Beauty. And I have never gotten this before. This thing is packed and it is heavy. So I can't wait to see what they sent. And I can't believe they send out a free box to anyone that signs up. And it could be while supplies last. I'm really not sure how that works. But thanks again, Arlene. And I'm sure Arlene's already shown her box. But here's what it looks like on the inside. It says, "Hello, beauty lovers." And then it says, "Each of you is unique from your smile to your style, your curls to your curves, and the skin you radiate in. Dollar General celebrates your beauty from the inside out every day. We are proud to celebrate multicultural women's inner and outer beauty for our 8th annual Days of Beauty event." So they've done this for 8 years. So keep this in mind for next July. Watch your favorite influencers live all week, July 10th through the 14th, 2023. We can't wait to see you for the main event, and that is going to be on Saturday, July 5th at 10 a.m. Join us for a special broadcast at dg.com Days of Beauty. We hope that you will enjoy this curated box of products from our top beauty and health brands found at your local Dollar General store. And then it says, be sure to follow at Dollar General Beauty on Instagram. Tag us with your beauty box and use hashtag Dollar General Beauty for a chance to be featured. So that's really cool. So, and you can see it's got some of the name brands on there. And apparently the event has not happened, so I'm not completely behind the 8 ball. But one thing's for sure, I'm not the first one to show it to you, but I'm just going to grab things and show them to you. We got LA Color, and this is in a Browy Wowie Skin Brow Pencil, and that's a color I could use. We got this Kiss Silky Satin Night and Day Cap, and that sounds interesting. It says a breathable dual layer, the premium silky satin fabric, one size fits all, wide and full wrap, band for long time wear during the day or night. Securely retains moisture and style of any hair type. So pretty interesting. It sounds like you can do like a moisture care, maybe put oil on your hair or something, let it soak all night or all day. Very nice. We have us a nice little scrunchie, which is very colorful. I love the blues and the pinks in that. We got some Luxe Effect Kiss eyelashes in the opal, it says. And those look very feathery. One of these days I'm going to have to try on false eyelashes. I just can't do it. So when I try and I fail continuously, I guess I get too frustrated and I can't keep up with it. Look at this. We got this big old bottle of detox shampoo. Deeply cleanses your hair from harsh everyday elements and buildup. And I can definitely use that. And I don't remember, did I welcome you guys to my channel? If I didn't, welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're enjoying the Dollar General Days of Beauty and that you will attend it. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because as you can tell, or if you can't tell, I show a lot of different things on my channel. And it's not just unboxings only. But anyways, we've got us a CoverGirl mascara. And this is the Exhibitionist, 90% like the results. And it is by CoverGirl. And CoverGirl is a pretty good brand, you know, for I guess you'd call a drugstore brand or at the dollar store. We have Neutrogena Makeup Remover Ultra Soft Cleansing Toilettes, and it removes up to 99% of makeup, even waterproof mascara. Lifts away dirt, oil, and sunscreen. So that's good to know. I could definitely use some of that. We got some Nivea Shea Nourish, and this is lotion. And it's got the shea butter in it, and it's a deep moisturizing serum. So I guess you could use this for body. I wonder if you can use this for your face. Let's see. Well, it's white, so I would have to say it's a body cream. But you know, guys, when I was in Cancun, I got sun poisoning, and I had to go in for a day or so. For a day we took off, and I had to use moisturizing lotion and some hydrocortisone cream and Zyrtec to get the swelling, and the itching to go down. I got it on my arms right here, so I don't know. My friend gets it all the time, and if I remember correctly, she got it in her 60s, and I'm in my 60s, so I wonder if it's something that women get when you get too much sun. But wow, I'm going to use this. Venus, that is my go-to razor. So I get one razor and 3 blades. Do y'all know how much that is? I mean, I think it's around $14, $15 value. That's just one thing. I can't believe they're sending these full-size items. This is Curl Rhythm Leave-In Condition Treatment with Boobab. I don't know what Boobab is. Do you? Let me know in the comments. Shea, coconut, and argan oil. So I know what those 3 oils are, and that's going to be a great moisturizer. So here, is this a conditioner? I was thinking I know it's for your hair. I was thinking for my body. Don't know if you're supposed to use it that way. Probably not. But it sounded good for both. But this is for your hair. Leave-in treatment for conditioning. That's going to be very good. Alright, guys. The next item I'm pulling out of here is called Skin. And it's an exfoliating in-shower face mask. Oh, wow, that's cool. I like to do my face masks like this in the shower and then rinse them off. I try to put them on first, let them dry a little bit, and then rinse them off. And this says it's infused with apricot powder and white peony. So it's probably not only going to exfoliate, it's probably going to brighten your skin. So I love that. We have a big old bottle. This is one reason it was heavy. Of Yes Honey conditioner with shea butter, and I bet that smells good. Oh yeah, that smells really good. That's gonna be really good. Did y'all know sometimes I just use conditioner for shaving? For my shave cream, I just use some of my conditioner. And on my conditioners, I have a little secret. When I get in the shower, I don't put shampoo on my hair first. The first thing I do is I get it all wet, and then I grab some conditioner and I just soak my hair. Soak, and let it stay with just conditioner, and then I never shampoo this part of my hair. I actually shampoo up here, and then I just let that rinse out, and that's all the soap you really need on your ends. And that's a little secret that I learned from, I think, one of the beauticians. I want to say Paul Mitchell or somebody had a tip on that. Could have been Estee Lauder, but they're not too much into hair, so I'm going to have to say Paul Mitchell. But anyways, we've got us some Olay Peptide, and this moisturizes for deep, visibly firmer skin, and it's a hydrating body wash. Oh, cool. I love that. So let's see how this smells. See if I can get a little sniff. That smells good. It smells very good. Just says collagen peptide for your whole body. That's excellent. And then we got us some Eco, and this says it's a 10 of some sort. It's a water-based for all hair types. It's professional styling gel. Well, that's interesting. It's clear. You know what it made me think of? Dippity Doo. Do any of y'all remember the brand Dippity Doo? It was a styling gel, and it was bluish color. Of course, it didn't come off blue on your hair, but that was way back in the 70s. Okay, we got us some JoyWorks, and this is soothing body lotion. It's sensitive skin formula with probiotics and skin conditioning ingredients that help to soothe and moisturize skin, infused with notes of jasmine. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm going to smell that. Smells good, and it's just a light scent, so that's nice. You won't be really strong scent of jasmine. Did I get it on my nose? I feel it. And we got us a bottle of nail polish by Sally Hansen, and this is Insta Dry. And I have not ever used the Insta Dry, but that's a nice color. That'd be great for, I think that's great for fall or winter. I like hot pink in the summer, as y'all know. And then we got some CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Fill and Define. So we got two, plus we got a sharpener. And I love having those little sharpeners on hand because I use a lot of pencils instead of the wet ones or the, I don't know, the inky ones. I use the pencils more. And then the last thing we have in our Days of Beauty is to help keep us healthy is some Special K with red berries. And it's real strawberries in here, and I buy this cereal anyways, but this is really neat. This could be a to-go pack, and if you had a little bit of milk, and I'm not sure, I guess you'd have to buy you a small little thing of milk, but I mean, you could technically eat this on the go, and or just eat it at home. It's got 260 calories, it's 1 serving per container, and then of course it gives you all your nutritional facts. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? I want to thank Arlene. Let's thank Dollar General for sending out the Days of Beauty, and then I'd like to thank Arlene for getting in touch with me and letting me know about this fabulous box. I think she got it last year, so she knew all about it. And next year, I hope I am able to join in on this again, because these are some great, great products that you can get at your local Dollar General. And you don't have to have them shipped to you, so to speak, but I think they do online, so you can have things shipped to you. But my point is, most all towns have a little Dollar General somewhere around, so it's easy to get to, inexpensive for the most part. I mean, I know some items are more than others, but still, they got good pricing in there, they've got good products, and as you can tell, they sent out a fabulous box for us to try out things. So I'm real pleased with this. So let me know, did you have a favorite? There were so many, I don't know what my favorite is in this box. I am going to say that this will be something that I will use all the time. I do love these, and this is a great savings to me. And then even though I have all the other creams and skincare that I get from other boxes, I'm really going to enjoy this skin. And I'm going to enjoy this conditioner because of the oils that it has in it. And I'm going to pick one more. And the one more thing I'm going to pick is this collagen peptide. I mean, collagen in the shower, that's great. To wash off your body. So, hey, let me know what your favorite was. Did you get the box? Is this only available for YouTubers or influencers? Or is this available to everyone? I'm not sure. And maybe Arlene can answer that down in the comments if she knows. But that was my Dollar General, I want to say haul, but it was free. So that was my free box from Dollar General. Days of Beauty, everything in there. And guys, that's all I have today for Dollar General's Days of Beauty. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I appreciate you being here with me today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.